Well, on Law Call tonight, we've asked Matt to tackle a topic that we mentioned in the newscast today, and that is the recall of fire extinguishers. Now, you wouldn't think fire extinguishers would have to be recalled, but they are being, and we'll give you more details in our newscast. But it prompted us to ask you, what about products? I've got fire extinguishers in my truck and in my boat and at home, and I assume they're safe, but some are being recalled. What would you have our viewers know about products in general?
Well, to get to the point of a recall is not easy because it's very expensive for the manufacturer of a product to get to the point where they say, okay, every product that we put out that meets this description, we need to get it back and issue either a new one or a replacement part. That is a very expensive proposition.
It's total loss on the product itself, the initial product. That's off the
Well,
books.
it can be. Sometimes it's just a particular part, like in a vehicle, that
so
needs
they
to
might
be
change
replaced.
something out. Yeah.
But for them to get to that point, it's very time-consuming, very expensive. And so if you get a recall notice, Mike, there is a high degree of probability that the product you have, it could be the car, it could be the fire extinguisher, it could be the baby crib, that it is dangerous and that an injury or death could very well, and if not probably, happen as a result of that product. So if you get the notice, you need to take action. If you don't take action, of course, something terrible could happen.
Sure.
But secondly, if something terrible happens, you may run against a really major legal obstacle because the manufacturer will say, look,
we notified you.
And I've got proof that we notified you.
Yep.
At some point, you have to take personal responsibility, and you didn't.